Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of Eat Prime. I am Daedran. Omi's Cheerleader is among the most Shazammed songs of all time. Shazam, a song recognition app, revealed the top 20 most searched for songs ever, and the lone Jamaican Cayman DJ Felix joined a mega cast of chart toppers, including Ed Sheeran's Shape of You and Perfect, with Avicii Wake Me Up, Sia's Cheap Thrills, and Passengers Let Her Go. The #1 spot went to Dance Money by Tones and I. In response to the news, Omi told his army of fans that he was deeply humbled by what he described as a great achievement and that he will forever be grateful. Cheerleader, which was a party anthem back in 2014, propelled the artist to the top of many charts worldwide. The single is certified diamond in France and Germany and certified multi-platinum in Canada, Denmark, Australia, Sweden, Belgium, New Zealand, Italy, and Spain. Cheerleader was such a huge success for Omi that despite his follow-up songs, many industry players regard the artist as a one-hit wonder due to the magnitude in which the song charted overnight. Omi's Cheerleader also boasts 1 billion streams on YouTube and a streaming giant Spotify. Cheers to that. Now this weekend, Fame Frequency sets out to be a dancer's paradise with Tropical Rave. The event promises high energy and a special guest performance from the dancing king himself, Ding Dong. The event, dubbed as the official virtual entertainment zone, trends each and every Saturday night and is live on our cable station RETV and Fame 95 FM. See you there. That's it for the weekend edition of Eat Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.